A beautiful video of Yagmur Yuksel have been shared on social media. The beautiful actress went to Seaside to enjoy the beautiful waves of water there. Yes, guys, Yagmur, who was also looking just like a fairy at the sea, she was looking just like the princess of the sea, and the earrings she was wearing were so much lovely and beautiful. So Yagmur was looking absolutely stunning and beautiful. She went to Seaside to enjoy a lot and had a great time. Baris Baktas has also shared new pictures, and Baris Baktas with the friends, he was also enjoying a lot. So Baris Baktas was with friends. Yagmur Yuksel went on the seaside to enjoy.